It seems Mom was onto something when she told you how important it was to eat your broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in calcium and a host of other good-for-you nutrients like vitamins A, C, and B6. But that's not all. Broccoli, one of the 30 best foods for six-pack abs, contains a compound that works on a genetic level to effectively switch off cancer genes, leading to the targeted death of cancer cells and slowing of disease progression. In fact, one study found that men who ate 3 or more half-cup servings of broccoli per week had a 41% decreased risk of prostate cancer compared to men who ate fewer than 1 serving per week. A cup of the steamed broccoli rape has a whopping 301 milligrams of bone-protecting calcium and is a good source of immune-boosting vitamin C2. Add the veggie to your diet to stay strong and healthy. We like to sauté it with olive oil and garlic and top it off with a dusting of Parmesan cheese. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. Almost 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the structure of the bones and teeth. Calcium is a nutrient necessary for the growth and maintenance of strong teeth and bones, nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and secretion of certain hormones and enzymes. A deficiency in calcium can lead to numbness in fingers and toes, muscle cramps, convulsions, lethargy, loss of appetite, and abnormal heart rhythms. While you cannot control hereditary and some environmental factors, you can still lower your risk of less calcium by making healthy diet and lifestyle choices. A well-planned diet can help prevent less calcium.